Hi, I'm Adam Gordon with MassageChairPlanet.com, and today we are going to go over a special feature of the Luraco i7 Plus massage chair. We get phone calls quite often about how to set up your user profile, and it's a very critical um, piece of information and feature for the Luraco i7 Plus because not many chairs have this. This will let you do a body scan just once for you, and then every time you get into the chair, you'll be able to go into user, open it up, and say, I'm user one, and then it won't have to do a body scan on you because you're telling it that you were in here before. You're user number one. It does allow you to do up to 5 different users in the household. So this is how it's going to work. It's going to first do a whole body scan on you. You're going to be in one of the main screens here as it does a body scan. And then you're going to be able to set your intensity levels. And then you'll be able to go into the user button on the bottom right. And you'll say save. And then you're going to tell it which user you are. Because I just hit user number one, it knows it's me because I set this up before for me. But it will have user 1 through 5. You'll tell it which user number you want to be, and then you'll just hit save. And then when you get into the chair in the beginning, you come into user, you'll hit open like I did. You will tell it that you're user 1 like I did, and hit OK. And then you can go right into your program of whichever program you want, or you can go into your manual massage. It'll never do the body scan again if you tell it which user you are. It's an awesome feature. You don't have to waste 2 minutes in the beginning having a body scan every time. Thank you.